Hello friends, welcome to Comtrade second episode of July 2nd, 2017. Today we will look at gold, silver and crude oil future contract. Before that, let's just preview previous week data releases. Market was waiting for US GDP quarter 1 data. It was 1.4%, which is better than expected. So let's begin with gold August contract chart first. On Monday, wires were buzzing with the fat finger error. In our last week chart, we had shown that we had support around 28,500. The prices move up to 28,700 on Friday, but it went down till 28,470 and then it corrected back. So the support is still maintained and we keep our hawkish view which we maintained in last week also. So the hawkish view is intact in this week also. Moving on to the next chart of silver contract. Similarly, sorry for this. Similarly was the case was with silver also. We had given our view on silver last week too, and we maintain our positive view on this also, though it will take around 3 to 4 weeks time, but it had maintained its support at 38,840, which was our Friday closing. The new update which we will discuss in detail is about the oil contract, crude oil contract of August. The crude had taken support. Technically, it had taken support at around 28,000. Technically, if we see the chart, we can see it is in a downward pattern, but fundamentally, there had been positive notes coming from OPEC meeting also, and the market is hoping that the US production will also fall. Last week we had US production data, though the supply had increased, but market didn't reacted much and had moved on the upward direction, thinking that the demand will be more because of Independence US Independence Day. So market was positive, and due to the low volume also the market had recovered. The oil especially had was on a recovery mode, and from 28,000 it moved to 29,900. 98. It closed on 29.98, touching 3,000. But let's see if technically also we see that I had drawn you a Fibonacci over here. So it feels like that it is trying to crawl back towards 61%, and we can see around 1 to 2 weeks period of time from 3,000 we can move or see the prices around 31,041, which is 61% of the Fibonacci, trying to take some support over there. So it will be a long weekend of this week, and US market due to Independence Day, as I spoke earlier, will be off on 4th. So volume wise is expected to be very low in the beginning, and we will have a slow start on the market also. Market looking for the data. We have two important data releases this week. First is on Wednesday, our FOMC meeting. Indian markets will be closed till the time when FOMC meeting will be released, so we can see the reactions only on the Thursday of that. And on the Friday, the market will close with the NFP non-farm payrolls. So this will provide the further directions to the traders to make their decisions. So we have this much only for this week. I hope it will be kind of a short week. Do not expect much action in this week due to low volume, and the volatility might be high. So just keep an eye on your stop loss and be aware, and hope you will get some directions with this video and it was informative for you all. This is all for the week. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe in case if you like it, and share it with your friends. Thank you.